Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to create a scavenger hunt, create a database like this one shown right here. I'm going to close all those up and close the database. We're going to start from scratch. So, I have a blank database. This is what you see when you first open Microsoft Access. I'm going to come over here, name it Scavenger Hunt 1. I called it SH1. Click Create, and here we go. I have a table. Notice the table is listed right over here. You want to go over and change your view to a design view, and it'll say name your table. I'm going to call it Scavenger Hunt SH Table, and click OK. Now I need to enter the information that was requested on your assignment. I believe it's first name. And it wouldn't be auto number for this, it would be text. That is the data type. Last name, still text. I don't remember everything that's in there. I think blue eyes might be one. I'm going to choose my data type for this to say yes, no, meaning if the person has blue eyes, then it will need to select check mark, the check mark. You'll see in a second. Alright, also age, which would be number. And let's go ahead and do a tricky one here. We're going to say class, and this is saying whether you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. For your data type, you're going to choose Lookup Wizard. A box pops up. First one says I want a lookup field to get the values. Nope, I want to type in the values I want. Click Next. Right in here, I'll type freshman, next sophomore, junior, and finally senior, and click Finish. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and check our work that we've done. I'm going to change my view to the datasheet view. It'll say you must first save. I say yes. And here we go. Here are our fields. And we have no records yet. So before you start entering records, I don't want you to do it through the table. I want you to do it through something called a form. To do that, you're going to click Create. It's real easy. Create Form. Then go over to your view and change it to Form View. Now I can enter my information in. I have brown eyes, so I won't check mark the blue eyes. And my class is a drop-down menu. You see the little arrow there. That's what your lookup wizard created, which is kind of cool. Then you go down to the bottom. Notice it says record. I'm going to choose my next record, which is empty. I'm going to say Joe Schmo. He has blue eyes. He's only 2, so he's a freshman. Next, we'll add another person in here. We will say there we go, and we'll say sophomore, making it up as I go along. I'm going to click the save button. It says what do you want to save your form? I'll name it the same thing. Alright, I'm going to come over to my table. Now you don't see that information that I entered. I have to click back on my home tab and do refresh. Notice my information I put in the form is automatically entered into my table. The same information. It's just a different way, an easier way for people to put in information into a table. So that is pretty much it for that.